Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Mandela effect filter on Instagram. And then when you have the filter on Instagram, of course, you can go ahead and save it to your camera roll and then share it on other social media platforms. Now, to get the Mandela filter on Instagram, you just want to open up your Instagram application. Once you're on Instagram, you just want to go over to your profile page and just go to where you create a story. So just click on that little plus icon beside your profile picture. And then you want to go all the way to the right on your effects here, and then you see an option to browse effects. You then click on browse effects, then you want to go to the top search and just search for the Mandela effect right here. So just type that in. And then once you're done typing it in, you should see this one right here, Mandela effect by GU_Christopher. That is the effect that we want. So you just want to go ahead and save it to your camera roll here so you're able to create your own videos with it. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.